How to create an email marketing campaign using ActiveCampaign. Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to create an email marketing campaign in ActiveCampaign, and I'll also show you how to design an email using ActiveCampaign email editor. And this is how it is going to look after we design it. So let's get started. So first you have to sign up into ActiveCampaign for using it, and after initial sign up, this is our dashboard, and on our left we have navigation where we have contacts, campaigns, automations, deals, websites, reports, app settings and account settings. For creating a campaign, click on create a campaign, and then we have to enter a campaign name. So I'll be writing Thanksgiving sale, and select a campaign time like a regular, automated or autoresponder. So I'll choose the regular one for now, and then next. And then select the contacts that you want to add into your campaign, and next. And the next step is to design our template. So we have basic templates, design templates, layouts and past campaigns like which you have designed before. So right now I am going with design templates, and when you scroll down you can see we have multiple options for our email. So I'm going to choose this one for now. It is just a general email, so I can customize it as I like. So here we are inside our editor, and we'll be customizing our email from here. And ActiveCampaign provides a drag and drop email builder that makes it easy to create professional looking emails. You can add image, text, button, video and many more to this email. So what I'm gonna do is I'll delete this section, and for that I'll click on this 3 button. If you have your own logo, then you can just replace it from here, but right now I don't need any logo, so I'm going to delete it, and then I will drag this text and drop it here, and I'll write my company name here. After that I will replace this text, and I will write Happy Thanksgiving. And I will also change this text, and after that I will embed a link to my website with this button from here. And then this is our footer where all of our social media links are there. So just click on it, and this window will appear, and embed all of your social media link here. So once we are done designing this template, just save and exit. And if you want to do it at the moment, so go to next step, and then here goes the subject, pre-header text, from and reply to email, and then we have list of contacts, our address and a schedule of our campaign. And before you send this campaign, it's good idea to test it to make sure everything is working as expected. You can do this by preview option from here, like you have option of email client preview and a desktop preview. And if you don't want to schedule this campaign or send it right now, then click on send now and send campaign now. So our campaign has been sent and you can view the basic statistics from here. And creating an email campaign with ActiveCampaign is very easy. It just takes a couple of minutes to design this template and then send it in just one click. Apart from email campaign, ActiveCampaign has many other marketing tools like landing pages, automation, autoresponder, sign up forms, etc. So get creative and see what you can come up with. Hope you guys find this helpful, and if you have any queries, please comment down. And thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.